Hi, Ben here from 498 Nerf, and this is the Spinsanity Battle Rifle. Now, I did a video a couple weeks back on the Spinsanity and what you could do by gluing the flywheels together, and this internally is essentially the same. The only difference between what was shown in that video and this on the inside is I've rewired this. It's still running the stock motors, it's running the stock switch, it's still running off of 4 IMR batteries. Now what I did to it, I added a stock attachment point here so it would accept a Nerf stock. Work that on there so I could put this together to turn it into a rifle, to make the ergonomics of it just that much nicer. And then I applied a couple coats of blue enamel paint, and I did some flat black accents, to give it a look, to blend in the bodywork on the back, and just to make it pop just a little bit more than it did before. So anyways, I want to take it over and do some firing demo and then show some chronograph readings. So overall, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. It shoots hard. The darts sail. I can get 160, 170 foot ranges, angle shots, 30-degree angle. Accuracy is above and beyond anything you get out of a Nerf product. I can easily engage targets 60, 75 feet away, no problem at all. So anyways, this is the Spinsanity Battle Rifle. Thanks for watching.